Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Masu da gumje ya? Gora khatak. वो जनरल ما ده يوم ملاقات ما اساسا غورا طويله له بس ده سلوك جدا ما باتلان لا شمر بيانا انا فاتي. How are you, brother? How was the food? Tasty? How was the food? You like the food? You like the food? That's good. Thank you so much for coming. Before 1 month, there's some Chinese party here. They came here. Chinese. Yeah, they came with some Pakistani people. And they also like our food. Okay. I'm happy that you like it too.
Yes.
Where are you from, China?
It's from China, Yunnan province.
Vina province.
Yes.
I visit Kichao. Zhejiang.
Zhejiang.
Yeah. Workers, Chinese worker in Kichao. So this is his building. He's my business partner. Yeah, so we will meet inshallah. Thank you so much for coming. Okay. Pleasure to meet you, brother. Thank you. Jibula. Usharashe. Thank you.